Hey there, I'm Phil Hutcher, co-founder of the Lindy Diet, and I'm excited to share something with you that could completely change the way you eat and the way you feel. The Lindy Diet is based on one simple idea: eat what's been around for centuries. Why? Because if it's lasted this long, it must be doing something right. The idea for the Lindy Diet came to me years ago when I was struggling with weight loss. I had tried countless diets over the years, but none of them worked in the long run, or if they did, the results were short-lived. It became so frustrating that I eventually gave up on trying to lose weight altogether. That changed when I discovered the concept of the Lindy Effect, which inspired a new approach to eating. This is an amazing concept that suggests the longer something has been around, the more likely it is to stick around. I began to wonder if it was possible to apply this principle to eating. When I gave it a try, it worked surprisingly well for me, and that's when I realized there was potential to help others who were struggling like I had been. However, I wanted to make one thing clear. If I was going to create a diet to help others, it had to be the last diet they would ever need. This was non-negotiable because I knew firsthand how frustrating it is to lose hope after trying so many diets that don't work. With the Lindy Diet, you're eating foods that have fueled civilizations for generations. Think about it: olive oil, lentils, ancient grains, fermented foods, meats, vegetables. These aren't just foods, they're the foundation of real health. And when you eat like this, you'll feel it. More energy, natural weight loss, and better overall health. And here's what's awesome: this diet isn't complicated. You just have to pick foods that basically come from a tree, from the earth, or from the sea. The less processed, the better. No counting calories, no weird restrictions, just foods that have stood the test of time. The Lindy Diet isn't just another trend. It's a way of eating that's here to stay, just like the foods in it. Join me. Start your Lindy Diet journey today, and let's make your health timeless. Check out our other videos and learn more about how to start.